Hello everyone. In this video, I want to answer the question of, can AI be used to trade forex profitably? Here is what you should know. One of the viewers on this channel asked me this question that AI is used in many cases. Now, in forex trading, can it be used to provide signal and to do other things? That is what this video is all about. Forex trading is one of the largest and most liquid financial markets in the world, with over $6 trillion traded every day. It attracts millions of traders aiming to profit from currency price movements. As the market becomes more competitive, traders are turning to artificial intelligence to gain an edge. But the big question is, as you are asking also, can AI be used to trade forex profitably? The short answer is yes, but with caution. And all these are the things I'm going to be speaking about in this video. How AI is used in forex trading. Number one is market analysis and prediction. AI algorithms can analyze large volumes of historical and real-time data to detect patterns and forecast market movements. Tools powered by machine learning can adapt to new market conditions better than traditional technical indicators. Number two is automated trading. Forex robots or expert advisors. AI-powered trading bots can open and close trades based on preset rules. They can manage risks using stop loss and take profit strategies. Also, they can react to news events and volatility faster than human traders. Platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, that's MT4 and MT5, support AI trading through custom bots or expert advisors. Number three is sentiment analysis. AI tools can scan news websites, social media, and financial reports to assess market sentiment, positive or negative feelings about a currency. This helps traders anticipate big moves that might not yet show on the charts. Number four is risk management. AI systems can help manage risk more effectively by calculating optimal trade sizes, monitoring drawdowns, and alerting you when to stop trading or switch strategies. Now, let's look at the limitations and cautions when using AI. While AI has strong potential in Forex, it's not a magic wand. Here are key points to consider. Number one is market unpredictability. No system, not even AI, can guarantee 100% accurate predictions. Then, overfitting risks. Many AI models perform well in backtests but fail in real-world trading. Personally, I have used AI to trade. I asked it to analyze the market and tell me at what time what to buy. I listed certain currencies. I say, should I buy or should I sell? What point should I enter? Where should I put my take profit? Where should I put my stop loss? And every other thing like that. And I traded. The first time it went in profit. The second time it did not go in profit. Now, number three limitation and caution about using AI in trading is black box problem. Some AI tools don't explain their decisions, making it hard for traders to understand or trust the logic behind trades. Then it requires supervision. Even the best AI bots need human monitoring, especially during major news events or high volatility. Now, here are smart advice for you as a trader. Don't rely on AI alone. You as a trader, you have undergone some training and you know some things. Use the AI to analyze, but also use your common sense to analyze too. So you can use the two. AI shouldn't assist your trading. AI should assist your trading, I beg your pardon, not fully replace your decisions, especially if you are still learning the market. Then backtest with a demo first. Always test any AI trading strategy on a demo account for at least 3 to 6 months before using real money. Then use reputable tools and platforms. Stick to trusted AI platforms like TradingView AI tools, MetaTrader bots, or reputable firms like Zulu Trades or Capitalize.ai. Then keep learning Forex basics. No tool beats a well-informed trader. Understanding fundamentals and technical analysis help you spot when AI may be making poor decisions. Stay updated and evolve. All AI evolves quickly. Regularly update your bots, strategies, and market knowledge to remain effective. I have used ChatGPT before, as I said, apart from the listed in this video that I've listed, and I use it and I told ChatGPT to analyze the market and to tell me when to buy, when to sell, when to do this, when to do that, and it did. And the first time it went fine, the second time it did not. So, in conclusion, yes, AI can be used to trade Forex profitably, but it's not a guarantee. In Forex, nothing is guaranteed. So, what is guaranteed is you can make money and you can lose money. And if you don't trade, your capital will be intact. Like any tool, AI works best in the hands of someone who understands its strengths and limitations. If you are thinking of adopting or adding AI to your Forex trading strategy, start small, test thoroughly, and stay informed. Remember, in trading, consistent learning and discipline are more valuable than any tool, AI included. This is the Dr. Adetitun, Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. I make a boast to say that if you keep coming on this channel for 6 months, and then your life is not transformed for good, and your life does not get better financially or otherwise, then you should stop coming to this channel. That means I'm not sent to you. But I know I am sent to you, and that is why I make that boast. And as you keep watching this channel day by day, 1 video per day, in 6 months, you are going to be glad you did. Now, I say watching 1 video per day, you should be taking action also. Because when you take action, that is when you're going to see results. Until I come your way in the next one, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and in the comment section below, tell me where you are watching this video from. Are you watching from Ghana? Watching from USA? Where in USA? Is it California? Is it Oklahoma City? Is it in Tulsa, Oklahoma, USA? Are you watching from the Philippines? Or you're watching from UK? Or you're watching from India? Tell me the state in India. Is it from Tamil Nadu? Is it from Gujarat? Where in Gujarat? Is it Badoli? Is it Surat? Or where? All these are going to help me to be able to know where you are watching from. Until I see you in the next video, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now.